mag-open tayo ng BTS UNO cards! So, open na natin.
Excited, Ate. Ate. Is it excited? Ate. Wow.
Wow! Here.
Wow.
Tapos yung sa back. So, nakalagay dito is UNO, tas BTS. Tapos, di ko pa alam yung includes a special rule niya. Ayan naman. Tas yung nasa likod naman is, get ready to rock with BTS edition of UNO. Get your opponents dancing with the special dancing wild card. And remember to yell UNO before the last song is sung. Ayan yung mga BTS members. So, i-open na natin. So, yung laman is instructions, tapos yung mga cards. Is ito. Tapos, yung malaglag. Ito. So, yan yung itsura ng cards. Tapos, ito yung sa likod. And yung mga cards is, so yung mga cards is 19 blue cards, 19 green cards, 19 red cards, 19 yellow cards, tapos 8 draw 2 cards, tapos 8 reverse cards, 8 skip cards, 4 wild cards, tapos 4 wild draw 4 cards, tapos yung 4 dancing wild cards. Ito yung cards. So, yung original ng UNO is nalaro na namin ng mga pinsan ko, and itong BTS naman is first time ko lang siyang malalaro. So, pinagsama-sama ko na lahat ng BTS UNO cards, including ito, and papakita ko sa inyo yung 7 members ng BTS. Si Kim Namjoon, si Kim Seokjin, si Min Yoongi, Jung Woo-seok, Park Jimin, Kim Taehyung, and yung last is si Jung Jungkook. So, yun yung lahat ng members. So, meron tayong 6 action cards. So, yung first na action card is itong draw 2 card. Tapos si Jimin. Tapos yung next naman is reverse card. Si Taehyung. Tapos itong skip card, si Jungkook. Tapos itong wild card, lahat ng members. Tapos itong wild draw 4 card, which is si Namjoon. And ito yung plus 4. Tapos ito namang special card, dancing wild card. So, ito, when you play this card, the next player in the current order must dance a BTS dance routine in front of everyone. So, kapag nilapag ko to, yung magpipili ako ng colors, tapos kunyari, pili ako ng blue. So, maglalapag ako ng blue na card. Tapos, yung nasa left side ko naman, sasayaw siya ng dance ng BTS, kunyari, Dynamite. Yun yung sasalawin niya pag nilapag ko na to. So, ayan yung special card. So, ito, special card na to sa BTS UNO edition lang siya meron. Pero sa mga normal UNO, wala siyang special card. So shout out nga po pala kay Ayesha Nicolette, Carl Jones Torres, Bry Luz. And sorry kung mali pag-pronounce ko ng name nyo, pero shout out sa mga bago kong classmates. And itong video na to is Part 1. And sa next video ko, sa Part 2, papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano laruin ang BTS UNO cards. Always be happy, always choose to be kind. See you on the next vlog. Bye!